Quadruped hip circles. Start in a quadruped position, feet in a plantar position. Feet in dorsiflexion position as the movement of hips started. Keep your spine neutral and gauge your core. Start the hip circle by lifting the right or left knee outward or inward movement. Quadruped T-spine rotation. Get into a quadruped position with the knees under the hips and the hands under the shoulders with the spine in neutral position. Begin to rotate with the eyes, head, shoulder as far as possible down toward the hand. Bring the hand back to the start position under the shoulder, returning to the full quadruped position after the exercise. Begin stretch. From full plank position. Bend your right knee and bring the leg forward as if you were going to step into a lunge. Instead of placing your foot down as you would for a lunge, bring your right knee to the floor on the outside of your right hand. The right shin may angle back towards the left hip or be removed parallel to the front of your mat depending on your range of motion. Large push-up and position. Drive your right knee up to your right shoulder and place your right foot outside. Drive your hips forward and maintain this position for a good 5 seconds. Repeat of the other side and alternative left-right between one rep. Squat series. Start with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Keep your chest up. Lower your hips until your thighs are parallel or almost parallel to the floor. You should feel the squat in your thighs and glutes. Pose with your knees over but not beyond your toes. Exhale and push back up to the stating position. Lift the knee as high as you can without rounding the lower back. Keep the knee up and move the knee to the outside. Keep the knee to rotate the hip inwards. Keep the leg up and bring it back behind you. Return to the start. This can also to perform in the reverse order.